All right, we're about to change the oil on a old 2006 Honda Recon 250. First thing we're going to do, unscrew the oil, pull it out, clean it off, and set it to the side. Set it right there. Clean it off. Next, we're going to drain the oil out of that little hole in the frame. It's a number 17. All right, we're going to drain out all the oil. Oil capacity is 1.6 quarts. All right, reinstall the plug. Tighten it up to torque it about 18 pounds. New oil goes in. 1.6 quarts. All right, now we need to check the level. Put it out, make sure it covers up that bottom section right there. It does. Perfect. Tighten it up. Start it up. Let it run for a little bit. All right, pull it out and wipe it off. And reinsert the dipstick and check it again. Perfect.